In 2000 BC, on a frozen, windswept island off the northern coast of Siberia, a lone, woolly mammoth steps across the hardened snow. The Arctic wind sweeps over the desolate tundra, carrying the scent of dry grass beneath the ice. While the great pyramids of Egypt were already rising under the desert sun, this isolated Arctic refuge held the final survivors of an Ice Age giant. 10,000 years earlier, warming global temperatures had swept across the Eurasian mainland. Melting glaciers raised global sea levels, transforming high coastal hills into isolated islands. As ocean waters surrounded Wrangel Island, a small group of several hundred mammoths became completely stranded. Cut off from the vast Siberian steppe, this tiny population faced an uncertain future. Yet against all odds, the island herd endured for more than 6,000 years. They roamed the cold valleys, far beyond the reach of early human hunters and mainland predators. Generation after generation lived and died on the narrow strip of frozen land. But behind their apparent success, a slow and silent biological disaster was unfolding. Because no new animals could reach the island, the small herd was trapped in a continuous cycle of inbreeding. Modern geneticists analyzing ancient mammoth DNA have uncovered the consequences of this long isolation. Harmful genetic mutations began to spread rapidly through every generation. The animals slowly lost essential biological functions that their mainland ancestors possessed. DNA evidence shows they lost critical odor receptors, weakening their ability to forage for food. Other genetic defects altered their urinary proteins and affected the structure of their insulating fur. Most critically, their immune systems became severely compromised over time. For centuries, historians assumed that early human hunters eventually arrived on the island to wipe out the herd. But archaeological expeditions found no evidence of human settlement during the mammoth's final centuries. Archaeological excavations found no ancient weapons or human camps dating to that era. Instead, researchers point toward a sudden, unexpected climate event that struck the fragile island ecosystem. A rare rain-on-snow event during winter may have covered the tundra in a thick layer of solid ice. Trapped beneath impenetrable ice, the vital vegetation became completely unreachable. Fresh water sources may have also frozen solid or turned toxic due to shifting mineral deposits. A weakened population suffering from genetic decline could not adapt to such a sudden shock. Within a short period, the remaining animals succumbed to starvation and harsh Arctic weather. No dramatic war or mass migration marked the end of the majestic Ice Age species. In the cold silence of the far north, the final survivors faded into the mist. The last giant fell, and an ancient world quietly vanished forever.